Okay, y'all, so this is my little office setup. I actually set it up in the living room, and you guys are probably already seen the Decorate With Me video for winter 2024. Y'all already probably seen that video because it definitely is out before this, but this is what my living room is looking like right now. Obviously in the Decorate With Me videos, y'all saw all of this and everything, but you know, this is what the living room is looking like. And I'm really loving it, you guys. I have some things that I need to do to kind of make it a little bit more cozier and, you know, warmer. We have new couches. Y'all saw that from the last apartment. We do have new couches, and I'm trying to figure out, I'm wanting to do something different in here, which I do love the setup, but there's still some things that I need to get in here. Like once the tree comes down, I want to put up like a shelving unit, like a bookshelf type unit. I want to put it up in that corner, and it can house like all of my office supplies and things like that. And then this beauty right here, I need to paint her. I need to get her situated. She is just looking, she's looking rough. She's looking very rough. And so I definitely want to paint her and, you know, get her beautified and shining like she used to. And then we're actually going to be giving this television to Nyla. My husband wants like a bigger TV, and we're going to get it and we're going to mount it on this wall. Y'all know I always have problems with this wall. I don't know why, but I just love having the TV, the console table, the ladder. I love having it on this wall because I feel like it's long enough, it's big enough, tall enough for a larger TV and just more heavier things. So that's what is going to be on there. I'm also going to be doing some board and batten on the walls on this side as well, just to kind of bring in some character and, you know, and things like that. Y'all saw this piece. This was actually a part of a hutch that I had, and I decided that I wanted to take down the top part of the hutch and just kind of use this as a console table. This is also going to get a paint job. I'm just kind of trying to bring in some more cozier, moodier, richer colors. So I'm really not sure yet what color I'm going for. It's either going to be like a really nice, rich caramel color or chocolate color, but I definitely know that I want to do it in like a semi-gloss finish. So that's what that looks like. And then my blanket chest is going to stay there. The glass broke out. You can see it right there. It broke out when we were moving, so I gotta attach that back. But yeah, definitely gonna do something with the fireplace, make it a little bit more, you know, cozier. But that's what the living room is looking like. I want to get like a nice big carpet. As you can see, my floors is totally scratched up from the move and everything like that. We just did not plan right. So we're gonna get this taken care of, and I want to have like a larger carpet, maybe like a 10 by 14 or something larger, that it could cover like majority of the floor space, because y'all, in the winter time it's cold, the floors are cold, so I have to have rugs. I don't like full carpets because of allergies. My son and I have allergies, so I like to have just like rugs, something simple that we can just clean and maintain. But I'm also thinking of taking this couch, turning it this way, and then taking this love seat and putting it in the direction of this couch here, so it's like an L shape. Putting it back by the window. I'm contemplating like different things, different designs, and then incorporating like 2 single accent chairs here. I'm thinking about it. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do it, because then I don't really have a space to put my office. So, you know, I'm thinking about it. And you guys are probably wondering, well, where's your office? Why it's not where it used to be? Because I'm working on something, and I'm gonna tell you guys about that a little bit later in another video. This is the foyer, and yes, it's completely empty because We sold all of our furniture when we thought that we had to, you know, move out the house. So we have no furniture at all in the foyer except for this full-length mirror. But even this foyer is going to kind of get a little makeover. The wallpaper I am going to sadly be taking down because my husband, he's not really feeling it so much. So I'm gonna be taking down the wallpapers. I'm gonna leave this part up because I absolutely love this wallpaper. It's like, I just love it so much. So I'm gonna leave this part up. And then the rest of the walls, I'm going to be doing crown molding. The rest of the walls, I'm gonna be doing crown moldings. And painting it that the same color that's in the living room, and it's the, oh my gosh, what is the name of this color? I'll put it on the screen because I can't even remember right now. But I'm going to be doing moldings going all the way up the staircase, and then I'm going to have the mirror here, like a full length, wider, bigger full length mirror here. And then I'm doing something different, you guys, in this foyer. Instead of doing a console table, because I already have one in the living room, so instead of doing a console table, I'm going to be doing a bench. And then I want to have 2 sconces here, and then pictures of my family, like 6, 10 by 12 pictures over the bench. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be changing out these lights and then having like 2 taller chest of drawers here for storage and obviously for the aesthetic. And then have an 8 by 10 rug in the foyer. So that's what we're going to be working towards. This is the dining room. Do you mind being on the camera, Mikey? Okay, this is the dining room. This is definitely staying because y'all know I love my white china cabinet. It's not decorated. I just threw stuff on there just for now. But this is the dining room, and this is kind of where we are right now. This is the top of the hutch that I told you guys. I took the top part off. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I really don't know yet. But this here is a headboard that we got from Facebook Marketplace for our bedroom. It's been sitting there for the entire month. I haven't done anything to it yet. I got to clean it up, and we got to bring it upstairs and everything. But this is what the dining room looks like. This is our brand new table and chairs. We're going to be doing a different rug in here, a larger rug that covers the floor space more. But this is pretty much what the dining room table is looking like. I love it. It's a little bit orange for me. I was kind of thinking of sanding it down and kind of making it a little darker, like a walnut stain. So, we'll see. But I do love it though. I absolutely love this table. It holds up so well with kids and, with Nyla. But what I'm planning on doing in here is, I used to have shelves that was in this little alcove. I am going to be putting the shelves back because I did love the way that it looked. But what I'm going to do is, I had used like 1/4 inch wood before, and I didn't like the fact that it was so thin. So I'm going to be using like the thicker wood as the shelving. I'm going to put a picture up here so you guys can see it on top of the screen, what I'm talking about. Kind of just giving you an idea of what it's going to look like. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting shelves, like maybe 4 shelves there. And then I'm going to paint it chocolate brown. And a sconce here and a sconce there. I don't want to overwhelm the space, so I don't want to put too much furniture and things like that in here. So that's going to be there. And then I'm also going to just do like a little console table here with a taller mirror, shorter mirror, staggering, some decor pieces and things like that. That's what I'm going to be doing there. A larger size rug. This wall, I'm going to be putting pictures on there for now, but the plan for this wall is to be completely removed. We're going to be kind of just pushing it back. We can't push it back all the way because the chimney is back there, but we are going to be pushing it back, just kind of opening up the kitchen. That was the original plan. And that's what we are working on saving towards so that we can get that done. So it's going to open up the kitchen and make this opening just larger, because we've had so many issues with furniture. And as you can see right here, just with the furniture, with the guys bringing in the washer and dryers, because this house was made in 1929. So the doorways are extremely narrow. They're not like this, the wide type of doorways that we have now. So we're just going to be opening it up. That way we can have more space. And then I'm going to have a 4-foot kitchen island in the middle here. And it's just going to be beautiful. We are also going to be completely redoing this kitchen. I'm not sure if we're going to be getting to the kitchen this year, but we've already started like replacing appliances. As you can see, we have a brand new refrigerator. Next is the stove that we're going to be replacing, and also the dishwasher and this faucet, y'all, because let me tell y'all, this faucet is giving me the business, okay? I love the collaboration, but me personally, I don't know if I would be using this faucet again, because it's battery operated and it's just a headache. It really is a headache. So we are going to be replacing this faucet, and you know, getting one that is not battery operated, because it has just been, it's been good, but it's just been a headache. Like, especially when the battery is done and we don't have batteries in the house, like we have no water because we have no batteries in the house. We have to run and get batteries so that the faucet will work. So we're going to be replacing that and getting rid of this once and for all, and this metal cabinet. Like, I'm just ready to gut this kitchen and get rid of stuff and make it more functional for my family. So that is the kitchen. That is what we're going to be doing. I am going to be redoing this entire wall as well. And this was my office space. As you can see, got some daycare stuff over there I'm working on. Yeah, I'm working on my daycare. I had started working on it, and then we had to move, you know, pack stuff up and get out the house. So I had to stop the process of it. But we're starting it up again. I've already started the process, and in the process of getting it all done, these are some of the boxes that are left to be unpacked. So they're all kind of just like in here on the floor, you know, everything is just in here on the floor. This is my tables and chairs for my daycare. Then I have the rugs and everything, and this was the old refrigerator that has to be hauled out. This wallpaper is going to be taken down. I had some pictures up here and they all fell down, so I have to redo that. I have pictures there as well. And this bathroom, you guys, is going to be also getting a redo. The floors are like just separating. I'm going to be putting down new tile floors on here, board and batten going around, and then here I'm going to be doing like a faux tile backsplash, new wallpaper, new paint, just making everything warmer and cozier. But that's pretty much what it is for this bathroom, and that's it. Our mudroom, as you can see, no matter what I do, y'all, it just stays so junky, no matter how much I try to keep it organized. So I'm trying to figure out something for this mudroom. It's got to be a little bit more functional. So going to be working on that. So we have a lot of projects. We have a lot of projects that we're going to be working on for 2024. Are we going to be able to get everything done this year? Yeah. My son said, yep. By the grace of God. But we are definitely working on stuff. My husband's his office studio, we're actually in the process of doing that now, and they're actually, I'm looking at my wrist like there's a watch. In about an hour or 45 minutes or so, they're actually coming to deliver the sheetrock and things, because we're starting to build out his studio in the basement. So once that's in the process, we'll show you, but that's definitely taking place next month, which he is so excited, and I'm so excited for him. So let's go upstairs. Okay, so we're here. This is Nyla's bedroom. That's her new bed, her dresser. She already, you know, we were trying to figure out everything with Nyla's room as well. She really doesn't need anything but a bed and her television. So her TV is like starting to die out. So that's why we're going to give her the one downstairs. But I had already started, prior to moving, I had already started decorating and redoing her bedroom. So I did the wallpaper, I did the board and batten. This bench thing is gotta go. And we're gonna put like a rug in her room, get her dresser in her closet, and kind of freshen up her paint a little bit. But this is Nyla Beezy's bedroom. Haven't cleaned up anything yet because, y'all, it's just a lot. And Michaela and Mikey switch bedrooms. So this is Michaela's bedroom. We are in the process of still unpacking things and, you know, everything, but this is her bedroom. And I don't know if Mikey wants me to show you his room. No, right, Mikey? You can. I can? Okay. This used to be Kayla Beezy's bedroom, so this is Mikey's bedroom. Again, we're still unpacking and getting things, getting things situated. So we still have boxes here and there. So that's his bedroom. And this is our bedroom. So as you can see, we have clothes everywhere. Why? Because we sold furniture. So I have nowhere to put our stuff. So this is what I'm going to be working on today. This is all laundry, you guys. All clean laundry. So I'm going to be working on that. You see boxes on not packed out yet. So I'm going to be working on that today. This is all clean. This is summer stuff. This was we had like a tall armoire in our bedroom, and all this stuff went in there, the pillows, the blankets. So now we have nowhere to put this stuff. I actually have a closet system or armoire, like wardrobe, that I'm going to be ordering from Amazon. And that's going to be my closet space. And then my husband is going to have the 2 closets. We were going to build on a walk-in closet, but it just would take up too much space in the room, and we would lose a lot of space. So we just decided I'm going to get a wardrobe system, and it's going to go alongside this wall. And then my husband will have the 2 closets. So we'll be good with that. But I'm definitely going to be working on this bedroom today and getting rid of all this clothes, putting stuff away, folding stuff, cleaning stuff, and everything. So I will show you guys. I will show you guys all that once it's all done. I'm not going to torture you guys by folding all the clothes on camera. I'm just going to fold it, and then y'all will see the magic of the mess being gone. The magic of television. Okay, so yeah.
Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the space.